Oh, why isn't Kate here in class yet?
She just texted now, DC. She said she has measles.
Really? Did she go to the hospital? Did she get treated for that?
Well, she said she doesn't have enough money for it.
But doesn't she have measles? Isn't that really uncomfortable? I mean, without the medication and all.
How can we help her? You know, we all broke ourselves.
Well, there is one other way.
Why did you even bring a camera with you? It's not like we're gonna die here.
Just in case something happens. Wait, finally, it's working. Here. I can't believe I let Sabet drag me here. See. Oh my. Come on. Now, let's just smile to the camera, okay? 1, 2, 3, smile! Wait, hold on. I think there's something wrong.
Huh? Let me see. Looks like there's someone behind you.
Hush!
Anong ginagawa niyo dito?
Good evening to you. So we're looking for the witch doctor. Do you know where he lives?
Ano ang maitutulong ko?
You're the witch doctor?
Oo. Paano kung ihatid ko kayo sa aking tahanan para makapag-usap tayo ng mas pribado?
Parang nakakatakot naman yung taong yun. Siguro, malis na muna tayo pag hindi pa huli ang lahat. Come on, silly. We're here to get you treated. Come on. He might look a little peculiar, but can't we give him a little bit of benefit of a doubt? Sige, sabi mo eh. Come on, don't you trust me? Sige na nga. I trust. Let's go.
Maligayang pagdating sa aking tahanan.
Yeah, it's very humble.
Kayong dalawa, umalis muna kayo dito. Tara, upo tayo. Di naman masama ang itsura. Sa tingin ko, kaya kong gamutin kita, Iha.
You can treat it?
Siyempre, Iha. Di naman ako nanghihingi ng masyado. Pero kailangan kong sabihin, ang relo mo sa pulso mo ay mukhang isang karapat-dapat na bayad.
My watch?
Mukhang patas naman ang ginagamot kita at ibibigay mo ang relo mo.
Well, you see, this is a family heirloom.
Pero hindi ba mas mahalaga ang kalusugan mo kaysa dito? Pwede kang bumili ng bagong relo, pero hindi mo na maibabalik ang kalusugan mo.
Okay, fine.
Ilalagay ko to sa iyong mga braso at pagkatapos ay hayaan mo na lang ikaw manatili ng 1 o 2 minuto para matanggal ito.
And how many times should this be repeated, sir?
1 linggo.
Oh, that's great news. That will be great. Yeah, I hope so.
Iha, tapos na ang paggamot mo.
Wow, that was actually quite fast and easy.
Dapat umuwi na lang kayong lahat.
Yeah, it's also getting late. Oh, thank you, sir, so much. Come on, let's go. Oh, I really hope it gets better. Oh, wait, this is my stop, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Kate got worse.
What? I thought that it was supposed to work.
Well, it didn't. We should visit her after we are done with our classes.
Okay, let's do that. Caitlin!
We came as fast as we could.
I mean, what happened? I thought the treatment was supposed to work. Sinundan ko lang naman yung sinabi ng doctor na yon. But after a few days, it got worse than before.
Oh, I knew it. We shouldn't have gone with that doctor. He showed many red signs.
I'm so sorry, Kate. I shouldn't have recommended that treatment. It's fine, Jan. On the brighter side, my mother got saved for a right treatment naman. And I'll go to a right doctor.
Oh, that's great. When are you gonna get treated?
Actually, right now. Oh, okay, let's go then.
You alright? Does it feel itchy? Yeah, but I don't know, it's so twisted.
Let's get it. Oh, it's fine.
Looks like your measles have gone really bad. Did you put something on it? Just some brush first. Oh, no wonder. Well, it really isn't advisable to do some herbs on measles. But some herbs can help, yeah, but not every. Well, me and my friends went to some shady doctor. And yes, now I know it was a good decision. Well, you guys shouldn't have gone into a non-licensed doctor. But at least you're able to see me now rather than later. And don't worry, you'll get treated soon.
Sabi ni Dr. Esquena na pwede nyo magpa-vaccinate para hindi na ulit magkaroon ng measles.
Oh, that's good to know. Maybe I'll get vaccinated too.
Oh wait, aren't we late for class? Let's go!
Bakit kayo naparito ulit?
Well, here because your son ako treatment.
Yeah, you made our friends' measles worse.
Wala naman kayong dahilan na ginawa ko yun. Ang ginawa ko lang naman ay pagumutin ang kaibigan mo, kapalit ang relo niya.
You don't even have a license. Your place is not even clean. I mean, look, it's a mess.
Yeah.
At hindi niyo tinanong yan dati. Ano ang mali sa paggamot ko?
Hindi naman namatay yung kaibigan mo. Bakit kayo nag-iingay? Hindi ba kayo yung pumunta rito sa una pa lang?
Hindi naman para makukulong ako ng walang tiyak na pawera. Umalis na nga kayo.
Pumatid sila.
Ay nako, mga bata ngayon.
The real doctors uses scientific treatment methods based on studies and research, while the Dr. Quack uses methods that are not scientifically proven, such as herbs. In my opinion, it is good to go to a real doctor because real doctors have a formal medical education and have extensive expertise in various fields of medicine. They can also guarantee safety, procedure, and good effects.